what's up, everybody? Right now I'm on my way to go see the truck, to go record it in the daytime. That way you guys can see it better, because I know when I went and got it, it was nighttime and it's hard to see at night. But let's go see the little project. That piece was nasty on this freaking street. Alright, so I made it. Here it is. Definitely needs a facelift. That front end has to go. Got these 22-inch wheels. For sale or trade. If someone is interested, hit me up. Send me a message on Instagram. It's a SLE. Got the radiator in there. Manifolds. Clutch fan. This got little dings and dents here and there, but it's not too bad. Yeah, I'm thinking like the 0306 front end on this one. Interior needs a good cleaning. Power windows, power locks. Got the computer in there. It was a V6. It was a V6. They messed up the motor, or something happened to the motor, so they pulled it out. They're gonna put a 5.3 in there, but they never got to it, which was good for me. I mean, they sold it to me pretty cheap. How much y'all think I paid for this truck? What y'all think? What y'all think I paid for this? Basically my twin without a motor, different color, different wheels. Got the sheep right here. No se dejan agarrar estos. Mejor este poquito. No. Got the little pony. Fogging up the lens, man. Oh, ma'am. No se quieren dejar agarrar ninguno. Anyway, maybe the bed's not too bad. Scratched underneath, que trae el bed liner este. I was thinking of buying a step side bed for it. If anybody has a step side bed the same color, or the same color as this one, or white, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram if you have one for sale. Pero que no te cracked ni golpeada. Esté in good condition. También if somebody wants to trade these wheels, let's pop the hood. You want to see the LS7? Nope, no LS7. Electrani 4060. I traigo los dos harnesses, the one that came on the V6 and a 5.3 out of like a 06 Chevy también. I was thinking of probably using my old motor that I took off this one and putting it on this one. It's still a good motor, I just need to clean it up. I don't know yet. But it's decent looking. It's not too bad actually. I need some WD-40 on this one. See, I got all harness. What you got in here? Add insurance. Okay, still at the owner's manual. On how to be a tacuache. Dirty ass rag. Definitely gonna need a drop on it. Está bien la troquea como quiera. It's a good little project. I just still don't know what I'm gonna do with it. What motor to put. If my old one, a new one, 6.0, 6.2. I don't know. And yeah, guys, if anybody has a step side bed, this same color, you guys want to trade or you want to sell it to me, let me know.